Let's fix your iPhone if it can't download apps. Now, if you're trying to download any various apps and none of those apps will work or download on your iPhone, I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. So the very first thing that we'll do is we'll head into Safari or Google Chrome and we will just type in speed test here. So we're going to run a quick speed test. Make sure that you have fast enough internet to be able to download those apps. So if it's faster than say 5 megabytes per second, that's plenty fast enough. Now let's hop out of here and we'll go into our settings and we will tap on cellular. Once we're here, we're going to scroll down because we want to make sure if you go to the App Store here that it is toggled on. This means that even if you're on cell data, then you can download apps on cell data. You don't have to be on Wi-Fi. If that's toggled off, then you'll have to wait till you're on Wi-Fi to be able to download any apps. Now, the last thing that we will do is we'll go back and tap on screen time. And then you can see on here, there are app limits here. So we can tap on app limits. If there are any app limits for the App Store, it will prevent you from being able to download any apps. And then the other thing we'll do is content and privacy restrictions. And here you can see the second option is iTunes and App Store purchases. And it's going to ask for my password. Once you're here, you can see installing apps is showing allow here. If that shows don't allow, then it won't allow you to download any apps and you won't be able to get any new apps until you either turn off screen time or you switch it to allow. So make sure that is switched over to allow and then you should be able to download any of the apps that you want on the App Store. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today and I'll see you on the next one.